Let me put something on the table that might impress you. The S&P 500, the gold standard of investing, the benchmark that Wall Street hedge funds and financial advisors have been selling your parents and grandparents as the safest path to wealth, has been beaten by the gold coin trading bot, outperformed it by 961.6% in total return. It can work on a capital as low as $500 or a 10-cent account on the 5-minute time frame. Not a hedge fund, not a team of Ivy League quants with Bloomberg terminals and $50,000 suits. A trading bot, running quietly on a laptop, turning $1,000 into $10,600 in a backtest. Now you might be skeptical. I was too. But here is what I know for certain. The logic behind this bot is sound, the strategy is surgical, and the numbers speak for themselves in a way that is very difficult to argue with. And here is the part that should genuinely excite you. You don't need to know how to code. The entire installation takes 2 minutes. And I mean that literally. I'm going to walk you through every single click, every single step in real time. And if you stay with me until the very end of this video, I'm giving you the Goldcoin EA completely free. The people who leave this video early will go back to their charts tomorrow and wonder why nothing is changing. The people who stay will have a bot running on their MetaTrader 4 account by tonight. The clock is running. Let's get into it. The price is $100 to $167 depending on which corner of the internet you find it. Compare that to EAs that cost $3,000, blow your account in 3 days, and then have the audacity to send you a motivational email about staying disciplined. Goldcoin M5 is priced like the developer actually has a conscience, which in this world makes him basically a saint. So I tested this on an account around $900 in just a few days. This is how it went. So in the morning of the first day I tested it on its default settings. It was already making $42 under 30 minutes with trades still running. I felt a rush of excitement and at the same time skepticism on how its strategy was going to work. In the afternoon, it still had its trades running. However, it managed to run them to profit. So I ended the day with another $32 in profit. On day 2, I woke up to some morning brew as the trading bot was adding $11 in the first hour of the day. On the third day, it grew my account with $1,081 in profit. Days 4 and 5, the bot increased the account to around $1,180 in profit as it brought in $32. It's not the Sistine Chapel of trading. It's more like a reliable Honda that gets you to work every day, occasionally makes a weird noise, but never actually leaves you stranded. It doesn't try to double your money overnight. It aims for $10, $30 per session. It uses 0.01 lots on $500. It trades only when conditions are right. The London session, a trending market, and volume confirmation. It's not hasty. It's not going viral on TikTok, but it can make teenagers quit their jobs at Subway. But it's making me money, consistently. Boringly, here's the actual strategy. And I'm going to explain this in a very simple way. The EA uses the ADX indicator across 3 timeframes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour, to figure out if gold is trending up, trending down, or just wandering around like a golden retriever that forgot why it walked into the room. ADX measures trend strength, not direction. Strength. Is the market moving with conviction and purpose? Or is it having a full existential crisis at 2 a.m. eating cereal directly from the box? When all 3 timeframes agree, 5 minutes says up, 15 minutes says up, and 1 hour says up. That's not just a signal, that's a convergence. Impulse detection. The EA doesn't just blindly trade every trend like an overexcited intern on their first day. It waits for a volume spike. Hard proof that actual institutional money is moving pending orders. Instead of market orders that get absolutely devoured by brokers spread like a plate of free samples at Costco, the EA places pending orders. Buy stops above resistance, sell stops below support. This is smart. Market orders are like sprinting into a mosh pit and hoping for the best. Pending orders are like having a VIP wristband. You get in at your price, or you don't get in at all. No slippage. Trailing stop and profit close. Once you're in profit, the EA trails your stop like a loyal bodyguard. It also has a mult_profit, setting that closes everything when total profit hits a threshold. Say $30. Hit $30, close all trades, reset, and wait for the next setup. This is the trading equivalent of a casino gambler who actually knows when to walk away from the table. That's it. 4 steps. No grid. No martingale. No recovery algorithm, which is just industry code for we gamble bigger until we win or your account dies trying. It's clean and logical. So how do we install it? I'm glad you asked, and it's very simple, so pay attention. And no, you can't load it on an Android phone. It works only on a computer. Download the bot from the link in the description. Take it. Go to the MetaTrader 4 platform, open the Files option, go to Data folder. Open MQL4, go to Experts and paste it here. Go back to the app and open gold pair. Only gold. On the 5-minute chart, right-click by the Expert Advisor icon and press refresh. You should see the bot now. Click on it and press OK. Oh, and make sure auto trading is on. Use a $500 to $1,000 account or a 10-cent account. I added a PDF below to show how to use cent accounts. Finally, you have loaded the bot. I told you it was going to take 5 minutes. Break any of these rules and you're not testing the EA. You're testing how fast you can lose money. You stayed until the end. You heard the full strategy. You watched me defend a $25 EA with the energy of a lawyer in a high-profile custody battle. In a world where most EAs detonate accounts faster than a TikTok trend disappears, consistently making passive income is something no guru will tell you for free if they're smart enough to know about this. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, because I give you results in days where others claim to give you in months, and that's if they know what they are doing. Next up, I'm doing a bot for crypto, no code needed. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next candle.